Hello, my lovely, beautiful, gorgeous people. Hello, Happy New Year to all of you guys. I hope you all are doing well. And I also hope that Christmas was fantastic for you guys. I hope you got everything that you needed. And I wish you guys a Happy New Year and beyond. And I wish you guys well, good health, happiness, all the good things for 2025 and beyond. And I am doing well. I'm so happy to be here bringing you guys another video today. I'm happy, blessed, and grateful every single day of my life. And sitting here before you guys doing videos is something that I really love to do. And of course, this is a skincare and beauty channel. So of course, if you are new, my name is Odette. Welcome to my channel. Please subscribe before you go. And I thank you so much for watching. Now, if you're going to be watching this video for 2 minutes or 3 minutes, please click off. I just want you guys to watch the videos to the end because I try to bring you guys really good content. And I thank you so much for joining me today, spending a little time with me this brand new year of 2025. So we are going to start with some things from Temu, and I'm not wearing any lipstick because I want to be able to put on a lipstick for you guys. And we're going to start with this one here. This is a red lipstick. Now the number is just number 80. I'm not quite sure if this lipstick has a name or not, but it came in a lovely little packaging right here. And so we are going to put this on right now. Let me see if I can do a swatch for you. Ooh, is it going to come out? And there it be. Hope you guys can see that. Here we be. So let's just put this on. Why is this so hard to pull out? Whatever. Let's just put this on. I feel like I don't like the way this smells. It smells like chocolate, but it also has a weird scent. I'm not quite sure. Not bad at all. I'm just going to go in with my red lip liner. And this red lip liner is from Becca. So we're just going to put this on. It's not that sticky. It feels really good on. It dries down pretty much quickly. And this is a matte lipstick. I really like it, but I feel like I don't like the way it smells. It smells like chocolate. I don't know. But anyway, the lipstick looks good. Dries down pretty much quickly. It is a matte lipstick. Looks really good. And I like that. So I'm just going to take my powder. And I'm just going to powder my face. I'm sorry, guys. Rather than doing this behind the scenes, let's just do this on camera so you guys can see. I feel like my face is just shining a little bit. So we're just going to powder my face. And just get rid of the shine. And there we be. Let's move on. And again, the lipstick is not bad. It dries down pretty quickly. It is a matte lipstick, but I feel like I don't like the way it smells, but we'll play with it. So next, I do have this pencil sharpener. Now, I'm laughing at myself because I have no idea how to use this thing. So this is the cover. And I'm thinking, why did I pick this up? But for some particular reason, I thought the holes were here to sharpen your pencil, but it's not. So I'm going to figure out how to use it. Temu. I think I need to get off this website. I really think I do need to be off this website. So this is the cover, and I felt like this is a pencil sharpener because I figured, you know, you sometimes have the smaller pencils and you do have the larger ones because, you know, you do have some large blades right here. And for some particular reason, I thought the holes were to the bottom. So I'm just probably going to have to slam this against the wall and figure out how to use this thing because I have no idea. So let's just move on, shall we? So next I do have this eyeshadow pencil. Now if you're somebody who's having trouble putting on your eyeshadows and you just want to be able to use like an eyeshadow pencil, this is probably a good way to go. And here it is. It's really, really nice. And this is a purple shimmy shade. It's right here. It looks really, really nice. I like that. So of course I'm going to be coming back for sure to do a makeup look using this eyeshadow pencil. It looks really nice. It's purple, a little bit of a glitter to it, and I don't know the name of this. I think it's just number 9 or number 60. I don't know, but I'm going to leave this down in the description box for you guys. And I also picked up another one, and this is another eyeshadow pen, and this is like a silver shade, much lighter. You can wear these shades this time of year, and this is it right here. It doesn't look too bad. It has a little bit of a gray undertone to it because of course you can see this one's purple and this one is much paler. It has, like I said, a little bit of a gray undertone, which is not too bad. I mean, anything to make my makeup application easy, of course, because I mean, you just have to just slap this on your eyes and then you're done. So next I do have these eyeliner pencils. It comes 5 in a pack. But I think when I was shopping on Temu, I was looking at the products cross-eyed because I really thought these eyeliner pencils came in different colors, but no, they're all, it's 5 black, okay? It's like, what the hell is happening to me? Something weird is happening. So I tested them out and they were all black and I'm thinking, what? I really thought they were all different colors. It's not that they were even different shades of black. They were just all black eyeliner pencils. Whatever. There you go. But this thing is a mystery to me. Okay, so we're going to get into the skincare part of this video because, you know, you got to admit, I mean, the Temu section was just a hot mess. It really was, okay? Anywho, so I did repurchase these products here in December. This is from Garnier, and you guys know that Garnier is one of my favorite skincare line because I think their products are really, really good. This is a Clearly Brighter with SPF 30, and this is an Even Tone Daily Moisturizer. I love this product so much. I still remember that day when I came to Canada for holidays and I went to Shoppers on Yonge Street and I cleared the shelf because I love these things so much because it really does help to brighten up your skin, even out your skin tone. It is an amazing moisturizer. Again, I repurchased this in December. So for the month of January, I'm not going to be buying any skincare products unless there is something new on the market that I want to try. But it's going to be a very dry month for me because I have so many skincare products that I'm using right now, which really 100% beneficial to my skin, and they make my skin feel and look so good. And so I'm just going to keep using those until everything is finished, and then I'm going to repurchase. But other than that, it's going to be a dry month. So next I do have this product here from Fenty Beauty, and this is the Jelly Oil Makeup Melting Cleanser. And I'm going to tell you something, guys, I really like this. So let me just put some product on my hand because I didn't remove the products earlier. So we're going to put some eyeliner on, and we're just going to put some of this back on my hands, and let's just do all of the eyeliners from Temu. I think I really need to get off that side, to be honest, because I'm getting screwed. Anyhow, so this is the again, the Jelly Oil Makeup Melting Cleanser. And it's a very interesting package. I love the packaging. So you open it, of course, from the top and you push from the bottom. And just a little bit of this goes a long way, just like so. And I'm going to massage this. And I'm going to tell you something, guys. It really melts away your makeup. I mean, look at how quickly this is removing the black eyeliner from my hands. I mean, look at that. Oh my God. And again, it is an oil cleanser and it smells lovely. I mean, look at that. So I do have my makeup remover wipes right here, and I'm just going to remove that. And there we go. Everything is removed. And again, your skin feels so good with this, eh? It doesn't feel dry or anything. All of the makeup is completely removed from my hand. I strongly, strongly, strongly recommend that you try this product. If you were thinking of starting a skincare journey, start with the Fenty skincare. You can start with the sample kit. It has the cleanser, fat water, which is a toner, and the moisturizer. You will not be sorry. So I really love this jelly oil melt and cleanser. It is so good. I mean, it's the first step when it comes to cleansing to help to remove all your makeup. But of course, I like to go in with a cleansing cloth first. Then I use this. And then I'm going to go in with the actual cleanser, which really helps to remove all of the dirt and makeup from your skin. This really helps to clean out your pores as well. Fantastic line. Now this is the moisturizer. Now this is from a sample kit. So I want to be able to use up the moisturizer first from the sample kit before I use a full size. And you just have to pump a little bit of this on your hands, just like so. And you massage this all over your face. And your skin will thank you. It is a wonderful skincare line. I really have no regrets investing in this line because it really does work. So next I do have this product from Vichy Normaderm. I don't think I've mentioned this particular one to you guys. This is the anti-acne purifying cleansing gel. This has salicylic acid, it's all free, and it is an amazing cleanser. This is my repurchase because I don't remember if I showed you guys this one before, because normally when I'm trying a particular product, I will use that product for like a good month just to see the results on my skin, because you know you need to give a product time. Using it for one time doesn't really help. You want to be able to give it at least maybe a good 3 to 4 weeks, but I mean I like to do at least a good month using that product constantly. And this really helped with my oil because I used to have horrible oily skin, so my oils are naturally controlled with products like these because I always look for oil-free products anyways. And this is from Vichy Normaderm. And I also repurchased this product from Domain, but I think I must have mentioned this product once to you guys, but I have been using it. I mean, look at that. I purchased this the second week of December, and look at this product. It's already almost, it's about half, because I've been using it twice a day. It is so good. It is a vitamin A renewal cream, and this is such a lovely product. It is so moisturizing, so hydrating. And you know, I wash my face with my Vichy Normaderm. I go in with my Face toner and I put on my moisturizer, and my skin feels so amazing because I am looking for that hydration on my skin. I do not want my skin to dry out. And this is one of those skincare products that is so inexpensive. I got this from Walmart. This must have been about $5. And it works so well because it's very, very thick and it's very creamy, and it moisturizes your skin because we are in the winter season and I don't want my skin to dry out, because although I do have oily skin, your skin can be dry because you're inside and it, you know, you've got the heat on. You get into the car, the heat's on. You get into your public transportation, the heat's on. You get into your office, the heat's on, so your skin can get pretty much dried out. So I like to pack on the moisturizer for my skin during the holiday season, and this is from Domain, and again it's the vitamin A renewal cream, and there it is. And the last thing we're going to talk about is this gingerwood body wash, and I got this from Winners. This was only $7.99, and this smells wonderful. I purchased this to give as a Christmas gift last year, but I thought, hell no. No. I'm keeping it for myself. And I did. I haven't used it yet, but I just wanted to show you guys. It's really, really lovely. Again, $7.99 from Winners. And this is called the Gingerwood Body Wash. Okay, so everything we talk about today, guys, I'm going to leave it in the description box for you, just in case you want to pick up on one or two things. The lipstick is not bad. It dries pretty quickly. It's not sticky. It's not tacky. It feels really good on. But like I said, the only thing that I really don't like is the way it smells. I feel like one smells like chocolate, but it has a weird smell to it, but I may be wrong. And of course, I'm going to figure out how to use this thing. I have no idea what the hell this is. I should have returned it, right? But whatever. Anyhow, this is the end of the video. We are going to leave it here for today. I hope you guys are well. And again, I wish you guys a fantastic new year. And please come back next time for another video. My name is Odette. Thanks for watching. Toodles.